go ahead and write a first sentence with words and letters that we know. My sentence today is, the cub is in the den. Let's go ahead and clap the words in my sentence. The cub is in the den. Let's tap it. The cub is in the den. Let's go ahead and count how many words we have right here. The cub is in the den. There are 6 words inside my sentence, and a sentence is a group of words that tell us who and what. All right, let's go ahead and write our sentence. When we start a sentence, we start over here, just like when we read, and we go this way. And we always start with an uppercase. That's the tall letter. All right, my first word is the. The. And I know that's T-H-E. So I'm going to put an uppercase T because it's the beginning of my sentence. The. And do you know who I brought along to help us today? I brought along Spaceman. Spaceman helps us to put spaces between our words. Yes, it's super important. The cub. K-a-b, cub. I heard k at the beginning, and I know right now that we have learned the letter C that goes with the k sound. Cub. Ooh, I hear and that's the sound that goes with the short U. Cub. I hear a b at the end, and I know that's the sound that goes with the letter B. So I'm going to put a B. The cub. All right, move Spaceman along. The cub is. I know that we spell is, I-S, is. The cub is. Now, I'm not so sure I have room to write a whole nother word, so all I have to do is go shoop to the next line. The cub is in. I-N-N. That's where Mr. Spaceman comes in. The cub is in the. I know how to spell the word the. T-H-E. The cub is in the. Move Mr. Spaceman along to help us put a space between our words. The cub is in the d. Ooh, I hear the d. And I know that's the sound that goes with the letter D. Now stretch it out to hear that tricky middle sound. Den. I heard the and I know that's the sound that goes with the letter E. So I'm going to put an E next. The cub is in the den. Ooh, that's the sound that goes with the N. So now I put an N. Now, at the end of my sentence, it's a telling sentence. That means I'm giving information. I have to put a period, which is just a little dot. All right, our sentence is ready. Do we have a capital? Check. Do we have the period at the end? Check. Great work. The cub is in the den. Fantabulous. I've had so much fun today learning all about the long and the short E, writing first words, and a first sentence. I'll see you next time when I teach to your super learning strengths, one child and family at a time.